Hello everyone, I'm Grace. I will share you some very useful parts for SeeStar 30. The first one is this one. This is the magnetic dust cap for SeeStar. You can see it can automatically attach to the SeeStar, and it is very easy to take off. Even if you in very dark area, you can mount it very easy. And when you close the telescope, this cap can leave it on the machine. Do not need to take off because it is very thin. Okay, this is the first one, metal dust cap. The second one is a very useful accessories. This is the magnetic fit adapter, because you can see it is magnetic to the machines, and also you can mount it. And with this adapter with M48 plus 0.75 millimeter screw, this means you can screw a lot of things, standard things, M48. For example, like this one. Okay, then this is the dual shield. You can mount the 30 millimeters high or even 20 millimeters high. That both okay. Then we have also this kind of mask. Many people use it. Okay, mask can easily mount it on the telescope. And we also have spike mount masks. We have two kinds. That's the first one. You can test, then mount on the machine. It's okay. Then you can see clearly. Okay. Also, you can mount this one. Okay, this one. We know that when you buy the SeeStar 30, the will including a magnetic solar filter. But sometimes if your solar filter is broken or cannot find it, we have the replaced one. Okay, then mount on the telescope. This is the replacement solar filter for SeeStar. In the meantime, because the standard screw of M48, so you can mount any 2-inch telescope filter on it. For example, this one. This is the light pollution fit 2-inch. And for example, this one. This one is UHC fit 2-inch. Okay. Today I will share all these necessary accessories for SeeStar 30, and all the parts are made of metal, not plastic, so the screw will be very well. Okay, next time I will share more.